how to clear a jammed auger in the Coleman Cookout Pellet Grill. Many performance issues are caused by old or damp pellets left inside the hopper between uses, causing a number of issues, including delays in feeding pellets through the auger, overfeeding pellets through the auger system, and auger blockages. To avoid an auger jam, clean out the hopper after every use. Let's get started. What you will need: an Allen key, scissors, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Unplug your grill and remove all pellets from the hopper assembly. Open the pellet lid and remove the cooking grates and baffle plate. Remove the 4 screws that secure the digital controller to the hopper assembly with an Allen key, and save the screws for reinstall. Disconnect the sensor wire. With a screwdriver, remove the 2 screws securing the sensor to the sensor shield. Pull the old sensor out. Remove the 4 screws that hold the hopper assembly in place. Remove the 2 screws from under the auger box housing. Lift and remove the hopper assembly from the firebox and set it aside. Remove the 2 screws that hold the hopper safety screen in place and remove the screen. Remove the 4 screws inside the hopper assembly. Remove the 4 screws that secure the hopper base plate to the hopper assembly. Remove the 4 screws securing the combustion fan to the auger box housing. Important: take a photo so you can reattach the zip ties in the same position to protect the wires from the mechanical components. Disconnect the yellow combustion fan Molex connector as shown to remove the combustion fan. Cut the zip ties to free the wires. Disconnect all the Molex connectors. Remove the 2 screws that secure the auger box housing to the hopper assembly and then pull the auger box housing out. Remove the screw that secures the auger motor to the auger bushing. Pull the auger from the auger bushing by wiggling it side to side. If it has seized, crank the auger out with a wrench, turning counterclockwise. Remove any leftover pellets or sawdust from the auger box housing with a vacuum. Reinstall the auger back into the auger bushing and reattach the save screw that secures the auger motor to the auger bushing. Reinstall the auger box housing to the hopper assembly and secure with the 2 screws previously set aside. Reinstall the combustion fan to the auger box housing. Plug all Molex connectors back together and reference the picture you took to bundle and zip tie all wiring. Secure the hopper base plate to the hopper assembly. Reinstall the 4 saved screws inside the hopper assembly. And reinstall the hopper safety screen to the hopper assembly and secure with the 2 screws previously set aside. Reinstall the hopper assembly back into the firebox. Reinstall the 2 saved screws removed from under the auger box housing. Secure the hopper assembly to the firebox with the 4 screws previously set aside. Feed the sensor wires to the hopper assembly. Secure the sensor to the sensor shield. Reconnect the sensor wire. Reinstall the 4 sage screws that hold the controller in place with the Allen key. Reinstall the cooking grates and baffle plate. See our full catalog for more troubleshooting and maintenance videos.